Stop letting potential customers slip through your fingers, because today, we're building a high-converting sales page from scratch, easily. First, log into your System.io account. If you don't have one, there's a link in the description below to get started. Click on Funnels, then hit the Create button. Name your funnel, select Sell, and choose your currency. This is going to be the foundation of your sales process, so name it something memorable and relevant to your product. Now, select a sales page template or, for the brave, start with a blank canvas. I like this one. It's clean and customizable. Time for the magic, your headline. This is prime real estate, so make it compelling and benefit-driven. Think solve problem with your solution. Next, drag and drop a product image or a stunning mock-up of what you're selling. Make it visually appealing and showcase its best features. Now craft your sales copy, highlight the benefits, not just the features. Use strong verbs and address your audience's pain points. Remember why they need this. Drag and drop an order form onto your page. This is where the magic happens. Customize the fields to gather the necessary information. Integrate your payment gateway. Stripe or PayPal. System.io makes it a breeze. Secure payment options build trust and confidence. Finally, let's create a thank you page. Choose a template or design your own now. Connect the thank you page to your completed order form. Ensure you make your customers feel appreciated. Test, test, test. Use System.io's A/B testing feature to optimize your page for conversions. Tweak headlines, button colors, and copy to see what resonates best with your audience. Monitor your analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Sales page success is an ongoing process of refinement. And there you have it, a professional sales page built with System.io. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more marketing tips, and let me know what you'll be selling in the comments below.